Okay, in the last two tutorials, what we did is we covered something called a site canvas. If you remember, site canvas is these sort of diagonally grayed out areas. And if I edit here, it edits globally. Okay. With that, we also looked at site canvases such as the testimonials and we edited those. Now, the other site canvases, a very important one, is your navigation or header. Okay, so this across the site, if we just quickly have a look at what's going on, the about, this just takes me to a section on the home page. Work with me takes me through to a section on the home page. If I click on program, it'll take me through to my service page, and then contact will take me down to the bottom of the home page. Okay, and they can book a call with you. Let's do something here that it actually, this button takes us through to an external link. And I'm just going to show you how to edit that quickly. Right. So another thing that I just want to touch on is that there is, you will see the canvas is, there's a header for a dark arrow. So this being a dark arrow, okay, which is your home and services. Click on services, you can see the background is dark. So our logos and our text are going to be light. Okay. But as you scroll down, it will change colors. Okay. The other places that actually have light headers, okay, will be something like your opt-in page and your coming soon page, also your brand guide. Now, let's quickly jump in and change something in our menu. All right, so we're going to click on our site canvas, our dark arrow, okay, and I want to change this to bookings. Okay, so I'm just going to change this to book me, okay, and the same as when we did the we edited our buttons. It's the same thing. It'll be selecting your click action. And as you can see here currently, and as I showed you, when you clicked on the contact, it took you to the home page and it took you down to the discovery call section. But this is going to be an external link. So what we need to do is we just need to select URL, and I'm going to paste in my booking link. I just want to have a sip of coffee quickly. Right. Okay. Let's move on. So I've got it here. But if we have a look at our canvas, we've got two different views. And like I explained earlier, we've got this will overlay a dark image. And then once you scroll down, because everything has light, you kind of want to have a differentiation between the background and what's going on with your sticky menu. So I would have to change this as well. So I will select this and I'll say book me. And then again, I will just change the URL and over there. Right. And because I have it over here as well, I will just need to select this. So literally what I need to do is I just need to change it right across everywhere. Okay. It'll be in our other view as well. Okay. Book me. Okay. I'm going to change the URL here quickly. Okay. So you can see when we go preview and I click book me, it'll take me to an external page. Okay. This won't let me do this now. Okay. So that is for the bigger screen view. Okay. But now if we go have a look at our mobile view, if I just click on here, it still says contact. Okay. So that's fine. What we need to do is we need to just go to the site canvas for the mobile navigation. And again, just select it and say book me. Okay. And then change the URL. Okay, and then as you can see, because we've sorted out our social links before, all we need to do is just make sure that these over here are social links and Instagram. So anytime someone goes onto your mobile menu, they can also just access your social media links here. So that's touching on both the navigation for the large screens and small screens. Okay. And the next thing, let's just quickly jump into the footer. Okay. So if we just have a look at the footer site canvas, okay, we can change anything. Once again, you can change your logo up here. You can change any one of these links over here and your social media links. What I would like to show you just before I close off this tutorial is something that I've missed, and that is changing your logo. Okay, so let's just quickly jump back into the header. Okay, and have a look at the canvas. There's two options here. You have a text logo. Okay, which if I click on here and then I just change it to my name. Okay, that is your text logo. Okay, you can just change that with whatever font that you chose for that. Or you can add your transparent PNG image. And as I've shown you before, you can hide things by just clicking on the icons for the large screen and the mobile. And then I can just click on it. And then I can just change it to an image. That image would need to change. I would need to change the image or the text logo across all the views. Okay. Also for my light hero. Okay. And then my mobile navigation. Okay. Over here. And then also down here in the footer, as you can see over here. So yeah, that's just how to change the links and change your logo in your navigation and footer.